Cardano USDT 5-minute time frame. Sell here. Buy here. Sell here. Book your profit. Second take profit done. Buy here. Second take profit done. Sell here. Second take profit done. Buy here. Sell here. Second take profit done. Third take profit done. Buy here. Third take profit done. Sell here. Buy here. Sell here. Book your profit. Third take profit done. Sell here. This indicator name is Next Level 5102025. This indicator works on all markets like stock, Forex, crypto, Indian market, etc. This indicator works on all time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day. This indicator is 100% non-repaint. You can see it. This indicator win rate is 99.9%. Do you want to get this indicator? Contact on my WhatsApp